Jake Ludington here at HP Discover in Barcelona, and I'm here with David Laing. And you guys announced some new printer options at the show.
Yeah, we just announced 4 new high-end, high-volume, high-speed multifunction MFPs yesterday. The new HP S900 Series, which really is a new offering in our portfolio in that it extends us up into the applications that require real high speed and advanced finishing capabilities. We see these really going into places like statement printing, in-house copy centers, transactional printing kind of applications, as well as high departments with lots of users.
And so how does that fit in? There's a lot of problems that people see in the document and printing space, or not problems, but challenges. And how do these fit in to help solve those problems?
So everybody wants to lower costs. And these machines have a multi-part toner architecture, which means that the drum, developer, and toner are not in a single cartridge, but individual cartridges. That allows us to give them longer lives and lower the cost per page. So for those higher volume printing and copying applications, this will lower customers' costs. Because the machines are very fast, they range in speed from 52 to 70 pages per minute, it also allows people to do really high volume applications with those machines. And then we also have advanced finishing options, things like booklet makers, hole punchers, cover sheet inserters, and trimmers that allow people to do in-house marketing kind of materials with these machines that allow them to create, really cost-effective communications to their customers right in-house.
And so one of the other things that I've been hearing about here at the show is managed print services. And how do these tie into that?
Yeah, so our managed print services customers have been looking to HP for office offerings for some time now. But many of our customers have had need for these higher speed machines to cover their in-house copy centers, their statement or transaction printing kind of applications. And HP's needed to partner previously to solve those needs. Now with these new HP S900 series devices, we can meet those needs through our HP MPS contracts, all with a one HP branded solution. So we're going to sell these exclusively through our partner and HP-led MPS motion, so really delivering an end-to-end solution for those MPS customers.
That's kind of a shift in the market from the way that printers have traditionally been sold, or I guess in this case not sold. But why the change?
As the printer and copier worlds came together, and as you look at these new S900 series machines, they're very much digital copiers. And those machines have more component parts to them, and uptime on those applications is really critical. And so they tend to be more service-oriented, and as a result, they tend to be sold more on cost-per-copy contracts like you would typically see with a digital copier. And managed print services is an extension of that, where instead of just managing and paying for a single device on a cost-per-copy basis, you're paying for your whole fleet on a cost-per-copy basis, and HP helps manage your fleet. So these machines really fit into that service model of a digital copier, but also into the way customers like to buy those under that service model.
And since I've got you here and you're kind of the big vision guy in printing at HP, what else can we look forward to in the future?
We're really focused on the new style of IT that customers have heard a lot about here at Discover. And for us, in the new style of IT, mobile printing is really critical. We're focused on technologies that make mobile printing very simple and very secure. We know that for users to want to use it, it's got to be brain dead simple. And for IT managers to feel comfortable with it, it's got to be secure. And so we've got a host of new technologies that make mobile printing simple and secure, including the ability to, if your mobile device has NFC, to pull up your document and just touch the printer and have it print. The other thing we're focused on in printing is around security. We know that anytime you've got a device on the network that you've got to keep it secure. And so we make sure that everything we do, whether it be mobile printing, anything that we do, that device is completely secure on the network. The other thing we're doing a lot with is about helping customers re-engineer workflows. So the customers have a lot of paper-based workflows today. We generally find that we can accelerate that workflow and reduce costs by using our scanners and our MFPs to scan those documents into an electronic workflow and then move that workflow along as opposed to pushing the paper around. And so it lowers costs and accelerates their business process. So a lot of work in our world about helping people scan up to big data, retrieve from big data, and move those workflows along much more quickly. So a lot of focus there.
All right. Well, thanks, Dave.
Thank you. Appreciate it.